back. So this is the part 2 of my Amazon. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, then hey there, it's Ashita and I would love if you would take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So this video is the part 2 of my previous haul. So if you haven't checked that out, please do. So in this video I'll be showing you all the clothing items and accessories I got recently from Myntra and other few brands. So let's not talk more and get into the video. So I also got a bunch of earrings and chains from Lokhandwala market recently, and I also got this earring and this shirt from a shop Adre. It's in Andheri West, and they also have a store in Opera House. So I just went to buy this shirt, and then I got my eyes on these hoops and I really like it, so I got these two things from that shop. Now I'll show you all the things that I got from Lokhandwala market. Also this set of 6 earrings I got from Adre, and I really like it. It's really cute and I love these small earrings. So I got these hoops from Lokhandwala market. Basically this one and these hoops are almost similar, but this one is in golden and this one is in silver, so I just thought of buying it. So this is the next item. It is basically a pressable nose ring. So for the people who don't know, I had pierced my nose after my 10th because I was really excited about college, and I don't know why, but I just felt like piercing my nose. But I didn't wear anything for a month and the hole just disappeared. So I'm not ready to do it again, so I just sort of buying this. So I also got these small earrings which are like pearlish. So yeah, I got these 3 chains. First one looks like this. It has a shell kind of thing at the bottom and I found it really cute, so I got this. The other one has this key. I wanted a chain like this from a really long time, like which had a small key here. So luckily I just saw this and I had to buy it. So yeah. And the next chain is this. I don't know if I am ever going to wear this, but I just got fascinated by this because this heart little thing opens and you can have a really tiny picture of someone in that, and I really loved the idea of this, so I just got this. So I also got some clothes from Myntra. So the first item is this off-shoulder top. It looks like this. I got this from All About You brand, which is Deepika Padukone's, and I love this top. I really like how this is. I like the color especially and the material of this top. So that's all. The second item is this. I love this blazer. I got this from H&M, and recently I've been a fan of blazer and cord sets, so I got this from H&M. So the next item is this basic tee I got from Veremoda, and I love how it feels. Like, it is very comfortable when you wear it, and I just thought of buying some basic tees, so this is one. And the next one is also another basic tee. I got this too from Veremoda, and even this is very comfortable to wear and the material is quite nice, and I love the color of this pastel pink, so I got these. Also I got this black shirt from a shop nearby. Its name is Adre, and I love how it fits, and I also love these bell type sleeves, so I just got this one. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I drop in a video. Also, I'll be linking all the details of these products in the description box below, so go check it out.